Hello guys, you're Junin Prasad. This is Junisha and welcome to my channel. The audacity I have to shoot this video in my office. So from the title you must have read that what is going to be today's topic of video. Why sweet people are more harmful than negative people. Let me break it down to you. Negative people are the people जिनको आप खुद एक पास देते हो आपके लाइफ में आने का. When they come into your life, you realize that they are negative people and they are impacting your life. They are giving you hard time, and at one point of time, you get rid of them. So it's easy to cut the ties off from that. Yeah, it is hard sometimes, but there is an option of cutting them off. But when it comes to sweet people, there are two kind of sweet people. Let me explain it to you more. Type 1 and type 2. Sweet people are the people whom you can't, जिससे पीछा नहीं छुड़ा सकते, whom you can't cut the ties off, kind of. I won't go in detail the kind of people I'm talking about, but yeah, you get to know it. The type 1 are the people who feel that they are very superior to you, like whatever they are doing, whatever achievements they have in the life, whatever they are doing in general in the life are a much more higher stake than whatever you are doing. So whenever you talk to them, they are always making us feel inferior, and they are talking like very superior of themselves, that oh god, I did this and everything, what you are doing, like kind of that kind, and in very civic senses. Like आपको ऐसा अच्छे से ऐसे सुमड़ी में बोलते हैं and it make you feel very low of yourself. And type 2 are the people who are the sweetest person in your life. 2025 have made me realize such kind of people around me. 2025 was the highlight. I knew them, but 2025 was the point they shown their faces. So the sweet people are the people who talk very nicely, very sweetly, would engage every part of your life, and they are like, oh my god, cheering and everything in front of you. And in back, they are like, you got what I'm trying to say. They would backbitch about you. They'll do everything to make people against you, and basically sweet on your face and devil on your back. And I've realized such people, and these people are like kind, they have the phases. They talk to you when they need something from you, and at some point they are like not talking to you, like oh my god, I don't know you. That's that kind of attitude they give it to you, and you are like just clueless, like what I did. And I figure out that they are just being themselves. That is their real personality. You have done nothing wrong to them. It is just like they don't like you. The thing is, they don't have guts to tell you that oh my god, I don't like you. They are just like being sweet in front of you and will do all of the things in back, like would be very good to you in front of you, and in the back they would have a whole army or whole set of people whom they can influence just to make everything against you. What is a good thing that I have realized, what kind of people I am surrounded with and what I have to do with them. Like you can't throw them out of your life. That is the sad part. You can do it, distance yourself. Don't let them bother you. They are going to do many things to bother you, to corner you, specifically corner you, but let them do their thing. That is like giving them satisfaction. I don't know what kind of satisfaction they get, but have the satisfaction you need. And I want to tell you, this is not affecting me. This was affecting me previously, but it is not affecting me at all. You do whatever you want to do. If it is making you happy, be happy. That's the end goal of it. And अगर आप ये चीज़ें करके खुश हो रहे हो, तो girls, boys, outside world is more dangerous than it. If you're doing it to me, someone else is waiting to do it same to you, and I don't think so you would be able to take it. So be aware of sweet people, surrounded by them. So be careful, guys. They are just getting jealous of you and they are not able to express that, so they are expressing in that way. So be happy. Bye cuties, bye.